Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mashakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. So as Halloween is around the corner, this is the second nail art tutorial inspired by Halloween. So this time it's the creepy spider nails. So let's get started. For this nail art tutorial I'll be using neon colors. I'll be using neon orange and neon green. You can use any colors of your choice. It's not necessary that you use the same colors as I do. And all the products that I've used for this nail art tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below as always. So I'll be using a black color to draw the spiders and a top coat, dotting tools. So you need a tiny dotting tool, a medium sized and a large sized dotting tool. And if you don't have any dotting tools, you can even use a bob pin or anything that has a round edge. You'll need a detailer brush and a palette or nail polish palette. So to begin with, I have already created French manicure tips using the neon green and neon orange, and one nail specifically I have painted it all neon green. Here I'll be creating a web. So with the help of a detailer brush and a black polish, I'll be creating lines from one point to the other. So one side will be only one point and it is going to different directions, like sun rays basically, when you create sun rays or something like that. So here I'm creating the web, spider's web, and then I'll be going ahead and giving details to it by drawing some V or C kind of lines. I don't know how do I explain that. I hope you can just understand by watching it. So in the meantime, have you watched my first Halloween inspired spooky ghost nail art? If you haven't, please watch it and subscribe to my channel.
I'm here.
So this is how the web will look like once you're done. Now to create the spiders, we are going to use a medium-sized dotting tool and create a dot. And next, with the help of a large-sized dotting tool, I'm going to create another dot below it, right below it, to create the body of the spider. Now with the tiniest dotting tool or a toothpick or whatever you have in hand, or even a painting brush would do, you're going to create hands or legs of the spider. So this is a 8-legged spider, total of 8-legged spider. So I'm going to use the dotting motion to create this. You can even use a paintbrush, a very thin paintbrush. So here I'm creating the hands and the legs. Use the dotting motion. This looks like a large sized, a big sized spider. So I'm going to create spiders on each nail but facing the different direction. It's like it should look like as if they all are going towards the web. So just change the direction of how you place the spider on your nail. So here I'm creating another one.
Oh hi, it's me again. I missed you. You remember me, right? I'm not only there at night. You seem a little nervous in your head. It's like a creepy.
So guys, I wanted to ask you, do you watch my videos, nail art videos, DIY videos? Because I have seen a very less views. I know I'm a beginner YouTuber and I shouldn't expect much views, but then these nail art and DIY videos are very easy to create and very quick and beautiful to look. So guys, please take time from your busy schedule and watch my videos, and don't forget to subscribe and show some love towards my channel and Instagram and Facebook. So basically, back to the nail art tutorial. I'm creating spiders on this little nail here. Now to create eyes for these spiders, I'll be using a neon orange here. I don't know why it isn't showing through on the video. See here, you can see. So they should look a little creepy, isn't it? Because it's creepy spider video. So this web was looking really plain with no spiders on it. So I created a tiny little spider here too. So this is how your nail art will look like once you're done. So to seal in your nail art, apply a good top coat and allow it to dry completely.
You are pretty scared. It is like a magic show, a darker flow. I won't let you go. I'm here.
So this is how your nail art will look like once you're done. Creepy spiders on neon base. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial as much as I did creating this for you. So don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Mushakal Me, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and don't forget to watch the first Halloween nail art video on my YouTube channel. Happy Halloweens, and until next time, bye.